everyone, welcome to this class. We are going to learn how to use the present continuous or present progressive in the negative form. So are you ready? Let's start. The negative form is subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus not plus main verb plus ing. Okay, main verb plus ing here are the present participle. For example, I am not watching TV now. I am not watching TV now. I am teaching you English now. So I am not watching TV. Let's practice. Verb to dance. She is or she's not dancing ballet right now. She is or she's not dancing ballet right now. Verb to lie. He is or he is not lying on the beach now. He is or he is not lying on the beach now. Verb to stop. The bus is or it's not stopping at the bus station now. The bus is or it's not stopping at the bus station now. Verb to eat. They are or they're not eating lunch now. They are or they're not eating lunch now. Verb to read. He is or he's not reading a book at the moment. He is or he is not reading a book at the moment. Verb to play. She is or she's not playing chess now. She is or she is not playing chess now. Verb to do. Students are not doing their homework in this moment. For example, they are playing outside. Students are not doing their homework in this moment. Summary. The present continuous or progressive in the negative form is I am or am not. I am not or am not plus present participle. He, she, it is not or isn't plus present participle. We, you, they are not or aren't plus present participle. Good luck and thank you for your attention. See you soon.